Hey friends, today we are going to continue to focus on two-syllable words. Okay, now there are a couple strategies that we can use. We can look for our vowels in the word, we can clap the syllables in the word, and we can also look and use scoops like I have here. See how I have some scoops? This is a hint that we're going to read 3 words together, and then you are going to spell 3 words on your own. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's first have a quick refresher on our vowels with our vowel song. A, E, I, O, U. Your turn. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so let's look at this first word. Okay. Now there's some noticings that I have. I noticed that there's a digraph, and remember, digraphs always stay together. That's how come my scoop is right in between the H and the M, because I want to keep the TH together. I don't want to split them up. Another thing that I noticed is that there are 2 vowels. Okay, so I like to cover up different parts of the word to see, is it a little bit easier to be able to read small parts or small chunks at a time? All right, so let's see. The first syllable. The first syllable. Do I know that word? Oh, bath. I know that word. Bath. Okay, bath. Let me see the second syllable. Do I know this one? Mat. I know the word mat. Let's see. Bath, mat. Bath, mat. All together. Bath mat. Oh, bath mat. That's like one that you put on the floor, a little rug that you put on the floor right outside the tub or the shower so you don't slip and fall. Bath mat. Okay, so the strategies that I used here was I looked for my vowels. I also tried to see, are there words that I know that I can take out and break up into chunks? That was another strategy that I used. And I also looked for my vowels. Let's look at this next word. Okay, so I have a noticing. There is a digraph in this word. Okay, remember, we want to keep digraphs together. Another noticing is that there are 2 vowels. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is cover up. Let's see. Do we know this word? Does that look like a word we know? Not really. So let's tap it together. Pun. Pun. Okay, let's see the next syllable. Let's see if we know this one. Does that look like a word you know? No. Let's tap it. Ish. Ish. Okay. Pun. Ish. Pun. Ish. All together. Punish. Ooh, that's good. Like, oh, I hope my mom will not punish me for eating all of the dessert before dinner. I hope I don't get punished. Oh my goodness. Okay, punish. Let's try another word. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is make some noticings. Ah, I see that there's 2 vowels in this word. Okay, now I'm going to cover up each syllable. There's 2 syllables, 1 and 2. Let me cover up this one. Let me see. Do I know this word? Cab. Okay, cab. I know that word. I've heard that word before. Let's check out this next one. Do I know this one? In. I know that word. Okay, let me see. Cab, in. Cab, in. Cabin. Cabin. Oh, I know what that is. A cabin. That's like where you can go camping in the woods. You could go camping in a cabin in a upstate or somewhere far away. You can go sleep in a cabin overnight. It's pretty cool. So here's some words that we practiced reading together. Okay, we used some strategies. We looked for vowels. We also thought about breaking our words into chunks or syllables and see, do I know any words that are in there? All right, let's try writing some on our own. Get your dry erase marker dry erase marker and dry erase board. Get it ready. Okay. At the top of your board, I would like for you to write your vowels. So we're going to write that together. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. Those are our vowels. Okay. Now we're going to practice spelling some words. We're going to write our first 2-syllable word. Write your scoop and your scoop. All right. Now, I'm going to say the word, then you're going to repeat. My turn. Goblin. Goblin. Your turn, repeat. Good. Goblin. Goblin. What goes in the first syllable? Gob. Try spelling it. Gob. G-ob. Gob. Gob. G-ob. Good job. Gob. Goblin. What's the second syllable? Goblin. Ooh, okay. Go ahead and try spelling lin. 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 Give it a try. Goblin. Good job, guys. Good job. Goblin. A goblin is like a creepy little monster. Goblin. Okay. I'm also going to mark up my vowels so I can see and make sure that I have 2 vowels there. Okay. Let's try another word. And you can erase that if you like, or you can keep it there. Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to say, then you're going to say. Catfish. Good. Catfish. Let's clap that together. Catfish. Ooh. Catfish. Now let's think about what's the first syllable. Cat. Go ahead and spell it because I think you know this one. Catfish. Go ahead and spell fish. Good job. The next thing that I'm going to do is mark up my vowels. Go ahead and mark up your vowels. This looks like an arrow. That's kind of silly, huh? Catfish. And the next thing that I'm going to do is underline my digraph. It's really important to underline those so we can train our brain to look for digraphs. We never want to split them apart. Okay, now I'm going to give you a word that's a challenge. Okay, let's try it together. The word I'm going to say, then you're going to say. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Your turn. Good. Pumpkin. Like on Halloween, you get to carve a pumpkin. Now, listen to this very carefully because there are 2 syllables. Listen. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Let's clap it. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Let's try it. Pump. 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 Good job. Let's think about the next syllable. Kin. Kin. Ooh. K-I-N. Kin. I heard an I and a k, and then an I. Anytime we hear a k, then an I, we know we need to use a K. K-I-N. Kin. Okay, so I know I'm going to say K for sure. K-I-N. Okay, take a second and put your little swish above your 2 vowels. Give it a try. All right, you should have U and up. Pumpkin. All right, nice job, guys. Nice job spelling. You are all doing a fantastic job. I'm so proud of everyone. We're going to continue practicing reading and spelling these words. So I'll see you all soon.